Okay.
Okay, got a picture of the front. Let's just open this. Okay, we've got polystyrene inside and bobbins and little bits and pieces in there. Book of words, and there's a DVD as well. Now is there a handle to lift it out? I'm not sure.
Would you like me to do that for you? Turn off for a moment.
No, don't turn it off. If you hand me the camera, I'll hold that while you lift it out. Thank you.
Bend down so they can see my face. Hello.
Okay. Right, get this box. And do you want to pull this off, Hobson?
Yes, I shall do that in a moment.
Oh, sneeze. Right.
Foot pedal.
Okay, you can carry on. I'll hold the camera. That seems to be the
Foot pedal.
foot, yes. And foot control. Oh yes, this is the front. That's good. Oh yes, that's very nice, isn't it? And the back. So it plugs in.
Underneath, no?
I don't think the underneath is interesting. Let's have a look. That's right, let's have a look at this way. Yeah. That's the first switch. Oh yes, that's all taped on. I'll take that off in a minute. There's got instructions on the top how to wind the bobbin and everything. And how to thread it. What's that? Oh yes, right, that must be the guarantee, the other thing. Yeah, okay, it's paperwork to look at. Okay, thank you, that looks great, doesn't it? Excellent.